Hello everyone. Today we are celebrating the incredible journey of Mrs. Parneet at our Hike Education. The one who is our dedicated deputy branch manager, the study force who keeps everything running smoothly every single day. Let's celebrate her inspiring 5-year journey with Hike family and hear what shaped her path. So please welcome her. Hi. So ma'am, how does it feel to complete 5 years with Hike?
Completing 5 years in Hike Education brings a mix of emotions, that is including sense of responsibility, second is career growth and a feeling of stability. It can also reflect on that at the time of reflection of the personal and the professional development.
So what are some of your proudest moments or achievements over the years?
So if I talk about the achievements over the years, like I am leading the team from last 4 years approx. So if I talk about the achievement perspective, leading to the team success is one of my achievement, and the proud moment is to that I prove myself in many ways. That's a proud moment for myself. Thank you.
How do you think you have grown professionally and personally in last 5 years?
So if I talk about my personal growth, I have having zero confidence in myself. So I have been built confidence, first thing. Second, there was no zeal at all in me. So second thing I worked upon is on zeal. If I talk about professional growth I have taken in terms from individual contributor to a team contributor first. Second, being adaptable, because having an introvert personality does not provide you being adaptable as well. So converted my personality from introvert to extrovert, first thing. Second, to being adaptable in the environment and the culture of the organization. And from thinking of myself to thinking about my team first is the professional growth I think I have achieved. But yes, there is many things that I need to achieve in the next of the few years.
Something small but meaningful that make you feel appreciated at work.
So for every leader, if his or her team performs, that's the biggest appreciation that the people got. When my team receives any kind of recognition in terms of certificates or they win any kind of contest, that is the biggest motivation for me and the appreciation for me. So that is the biggest and the best appreciation that a leader can get. Thank you.
What motivates you to continue being part of the team?
So the thing which motivates me first is organization culture, because if the culture is not good, you will not be able to move ahead with more of the years. Second, career growth, because career growth is one of the important perspective for every employer, I hope so. And the third will be empowering others and to bear out the challenges, because yes, one more reason is that I want to be a part of the team and to prove the world that yes, a woman can do a lot of things, and being an independent, I also want to become an independent woman so that I can prove various records in the next of the future.
What will be the one advice you would give to the newcomers?
So the advice over the year I trusted is trust yourself, because people will come, go, demotivate you in many of the terms. If you have a trust that yes, I can do it, then there is no one in the world, I can say, who can beat out you. So just have a trust on yourself, that's it.
What's one goal you want to reach in your 6th year with us?
So if I talk about my short term and the long term goals, the short term goals I am targeting is to increase my team size first, and to again go up with the different products, as Hike deals in multiple products and currently I am handling 1 or 2 products, but yes, targeting the streamline for the next 4 to 5 products first. Second, if I talk about the long term goals, I will be I have reached a ladder. I have started my position from BDM, then promoted to ATL, TL and DBM. So now such position I will be targeting will be of manager and the senior manager. So my goal will be to hit these particular positions in the next 1 year. That's it.
Her journey is a perfect example of how dedication and consistency make a real difference every day. Here is to many more milestones ahead, and to the people who make Hike Education feel like home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow the journey with #LifeAtHike.